morning, good morning, good morning. Some people's inability to do things cracks me up. All right, we are live. Yes, let's see. Now, are we live on YouTube? YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, and X, and whatever they call themselves. Hope you had a blessed weekend. God bless you all. What a fantastic weekend, especially yesterday. Boy, that was such a blessing. Where are we at here? Okay. Oh, 500. Oh, we're limited. All right, fine. Let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm getting things set up. I'll be right with y'all in just a minute. All right, let's save that. And I think we are live. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, everybody on TikTok, Twitter, Twitch,
This
X.
company is going viral for its new process that gives you permanent teeth in...
There we go. There we go. Now, good morning to John. What's up, John Parker? Hope you're healing up. Good morning, LT, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Mr. Gold, EA8851. What's up? The great Keith Palmer's in the house. What's up, Keith? What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Everyone here should be thanking Keith Palmer. He's the absolute genius. Well, good man, first and foremost, and genius behind all of our indicators. He's absolutely the greatest coder in the history of the world, in my humble opinion. Morning, Keith. Morning, CV, and Michelle Glowinski, and LT, and Aussie Trader, and Larry, and God bless you too, Larry. Let me move this down just a little bit. Yeah, I knew we were missing peeps. Good morning, Trusted Kicks, and Bob Ooten, and George B. What's up, George? Taraya Edwards and Barani. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning to Lazarus and Solace Soul and Geo and Aussie Trader and Stud Breezy and Roy Rodriguez and user 1570 and Larry Cooper and D Hardy and Tony D. Welcome to everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch and X and I don't know. Make sure we give some thumbs up, please. Remember, thumbs up keeps me on YouTube. If I don't get thumbs up on YouTube, we'll be closing you down this morning. Keith, the genius coder, that is a fact, Jack. I'm looking for buy stops on the 9 hour, 10 hour. Let's see. We are looking for, yeah, this is a 10-hour, 12-hour buy stop, all indices. Doesn't mean it's not going to go down any further. I'm just telling you it's going to flip and come back up. That's what it means. Good morning, D Nice. What's up, D Nice? Good to see you here, my friend. Keith, I've been pushing for another Keith appreciation. We all deserve a Kevin and Bree appreciation day. It's a great idea too. Agreed. We need an appreciation day for Bree and Keith. It's my time. Great day, says it's my time. It's now, Taraya Edwards. It's now or never. It's my time. Good morning, Super Z. Super Z's in the house. Super Z's in the house. Good morning, Brian Flores. Pushing P in the house. Ask your blessing upon everyone here. God, Father, Son, in Jesus Christ's name. I ask your healing blessing and in every way blessing that you could possibly bless each and every one of us. We're your humble servants here on earth. Ask your healing blessing upon everybody hearing my voice, especially for the Safety Trade System team. Heal up everybody from Britt and Basil to Katie to of course, the great Keith Palmer, my beautiful wife, Bree. I ask your blessings, and I ask each and every one of you to pray for all of those people. As I pray for your loved ones, I hope you pray for mine. And just thank you, God, for everything, and let me have the words, the wisdom, and the knowledge, I guess, to be able to reach everyone hearing my voice this morning, so I can finally get them to learn how to make consistent trades and make consistent, profitable trades. In Jesus' name, amen. What's up, Larry? My weekend yesterday was fantastic. Brian, thank you for asking. I hope yours was too. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Sog. Thank you, Sog. That's what I'm talking about. We all need these blessings. Trust me. Well, my Sunday was fantastic. You know, there's challenges in my life you guys don't have a fucking clue about. And that's the way it's going to stay. I come on here happy. Well, I don't know about happy. That might be stretching the word. But, you know, I come on here doing my very best most every day during weekdays, sometimes on the weekend. And you have no clue of what I'm going through. None. Trust me, there's challenges in life for all of us. Thank you, Alvin, for the amen, and LT for the amen. Good morning, Alvin, Augustine, Anthony. Your parents must have loved the A's. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Okay, what we're going to be doing this morning is several things. Let's go ahead and pull this out for you. Okay, this morning, good morning, everyone watching. Upcoming on our show. One, going to tell you where 35 symbols are going, and you can ask about any other symbol. Either one, two, robot testing, baby. 3, trading market open at 9:30 a.m. EST, baby. All right, so how much time I have? About an hour and 15, not much. Is there any news this morning? The news that I care about? I don't give two shits about anything else. Is there any news that's actually important? CPI or NFP? Yeah, we played NFP the other day. I think that was Friday. Thursday? Oh, I don't know when it was, but we kicked its ass. It was slow moving. It was actually kind of a letdown, to be honest with you. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Matt Parker. We love your attitudes about it. Yeah, not everybody. What's up, Sub-Zero? Good morning, and V, if you're on the live today. Good morning, V, if you're on the live today. Well, CV, you're here. Good morning, Sub-Zero. Flacco. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. We actually have more people on TikTok this morning than well. I need a few more thumbs up than, well, we had 6. Let me see. Then 20. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys have about a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and kill YouTube. So I'm going to give you until, well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to give you until I call out 35 symbols. And if I don't have I need 30s, 40s. If I don't have at least 30 thumbs up, by the time I get back from calling out my signals, YouTube is done. It's not a threat. It's just the way it's going to be. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics, Jake, and not Jacob. Good morning, Jake. Thank you for everything you do here. Thank you guys for everything you guys do here, too, especially the Keith Palmer boy. The great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? All right, here we go. You guys ready? Who's ready for 35 symbols to be called out faster than life itself? I'm going to go through them fast. Don't try to keep up. We have all the guns. What's up, Matt? Yeah, we have a lot of the big guns this morning on the live. So that's why I expect way the fuck more than 20 thumbs up. Come on, dudes. It's a thumbs up. Please. You can do it. CPI next week on the 12th. Okay, yeah, that's all I care about. So CPI on 12th. Almost my youngest child's birthday. August the 14th. Yay. So blessed. Beautiful wife. 2 beautiful children. Whole bunch of issues. But I don't care. We're here just to help each other. And one of the issues that hopefully none of you all have is going to be financially. 1 hour filling the gap on gold. We'll look about, won't we see? Yep, we sure will. Yeah, thumbs up. TV's right. Everyone put a thumbs up when you come here, and then there's no problem for everybody. But yeah, it's going to be gone. You probably have about 10 minutes to do it, but I'm telling you, if I come back and I don't have thumbs up, and I'm not even saying anything, I'm just closing down YouTube. So you have until number 1, until I'm done with this testing, okay? Fair warning. All right, guys, let's get excited. Here we go. All right, let's roll. First of all, we have our indices. Indice number 1. Let's go over here to the 5-second. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop. And I can't believe my alerts are still not making noise. That pisses me the fuck off. Buy stop to the blue line, SPX 500. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, ES1. Oh yeah, that's free money right there. YM1. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, YM1. Buy stop to the blue line. Are they at least coming up on my screen? Motherfucking alerts better be. Trading view. Buy stop to US 30 5-second blue line. 10-second. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, US 30. 10-second to the blue. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, YM1. I'm paying like fucking $300 a fucking month for whatever. Buy stop SPX to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop ES1 to the 10-second blue line. Why are they not even flipping up? Yep. Where are the alerts? Why are they not even coming up on screen now? Oh, Trading View, you got to do better than this shit. At any rate, this is what's going to happen on your indices. Buy stop all the 5 seconds. Buy stop all the 10 seconds. Buy stop all the 15 seconds. Then after that, I don't know if we're going to kick into the sell here on this US 30. I haven't looked yet. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy. And that's what you're going to see. Now, if there is going to be a sell, and I'll call this for you guys just for argument's sake, not because it's whatever. I don't play sells. You guys know that. I think it's stupid. You're going to see this happen right there. 30-minute sell stop to Nasdaq's blue line. I do believe you're going to see this push up go on at least until market open. We'll see. All right, so we're done with the indices. Good morning, Arginus. Good morning, MO. All right, next up, let's go over to our handy-dandy charts where it says the old ways of trading fell over 93% of time. The safe to trade system Does not. We have a way better win rate than a 93% losing. One of my members asked for a 1 hour buy stop on gold. No, nothing like a 1 hour buy stop on gold. Incorrect. It has to be all green with, you know what a buy stop is? This is not a 1 hour buy stop on gold. No, nothing to do with a 1 hour. Look, a buy stop, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. A buy stop is when this particular bullshit indicator is red, and then these are all green. Does that look like a buy stop to anyone? No, it does not. Don't answer that. So no, it is not a 1 hour buy stop. Let's go all the way down here and determine what it is. 1 second buy stop on gold. There is a 5 second sell on gold. I don't play sells on gold. You guys can feel free. Now see, here's a 1 minute buy stop. You see the difference? Green, 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 and then look. See the difference? Red. This is a buy stop. I'm so confused in life. I swear to God, I've been teaching this shit for 3 fucking years and I can't get through to 90% of you. Green, 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 buy stop. It's not a fucking 1 hour buy stop on gold. Oh, 1 minute buy stop on gold. 1 minute, 2 minute buy stop on gold. Take profit, 3,369. 3,371. Oopsie, sorry. 3 minute, nothing. Fill in the gap, 5, 10, yada, yada, yada. I told you where gold was going. Every day I keep telling you gold's a buy. Every fucking time. Gee, I wonder if it's going to go up. All right, here we go. We have a 5 hour sell. I'm not calling that. Okay, so we're just going to go right to here. We're skipping all the bullshit. This is where gold is doing and what it's doing and where it's going. As I told you before, this is now a daily, weekly buy stop. It will keep going up because we know with the sniper until this pink line comes all the way up here, just like it did here and here and here. January of last year, June of last year, January of this year. Currently, what's happening? Gold will go up as this goes up. It's a daily, weekly buy stop on gold. There'll be a new high by the time this is done. Can I be any more specific? You already hit all my gold calls right here, 1, 2, and 3. They've hit the orange line. All take profits are hit. It's not done. It's going to go up to 3,400, 3,440, and then it's going to go to 3,500 and past. And that is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Ruben. Boy, a lot of people coming in. All right, you guys have until I'm done making all the calls, 35 calls in amount about, what, 8? And if you do not have more thumbs up than 30, I'm not even going to say anything. So when you see YouTube go away, head over to TikTok. So when you see YouTube go away, head over to TikTok. Silver. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Silver is nice. We have silver as a 12-hour. Yep, 12-hour buy stop silver. $37.78. Love $38.64. Love $40 silver. Bitcoin, I keep telling you,
I am not a
Bitcoin is a 12-hour buy stop. It's going to go back to $117,379.40 to be exact. It's going to go over $122,794 to be exact. That's Bitcoin.
Demo trade
Ethereum.
I am not.
Ethereum is going back over $3,617.95. Ethereum is going back over $3,767.45. Ethereum is going back over $4,000. XRP. Good morning, Stacy.
Financial advisor.
$3.06 XRP, $3.11 XRP, $3.40, and as I told you before, it's going over $3.68. This is a 12-hour buy stop for XRP.
Demo trade only.
XLM.
A financial
Take
advisor.
profit, as I told you, it's going to do it again. $42.82. I wish. $42.82. Oh my God, 0.4285. It's going to go back to 0.4615, it will go over that exact number. It will go over 52 cents. That's XLM.
Demo trade only. I am not.
You still have a shit ton of time for Litecoin, over $122. Litecoin is the best out of all of these cryptos you're seeing right now. Litecoin has the most to go up. It'll be going over $152, and it will absolutely go up over $200, and then eventually it'll meander past 400. Litecoin.
Demo trade only.
Uh-oh, we're on the stocks already. If I don't see those thumbs up when I come back. Woo! Nike. Nope, negative 3 month. Nike is a fantastic 3-month buy. Stop, $80. $95. It's going to go past $125. That's Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And you'll see here, unlike other traders who never tell you what you're going to do, what's going to happen before it happens, they don't fucking know shit. So I actually have a permanent, which I have to add to, permanent buy list. And this is my permanent buy list. Until further notice, all of these stocks, all of these symbols are permanent buys. These are your best ones. You'll be able to take 30-minute buy stops for the next, some of these things up to 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. I'm telling you what's going to happen on these stocks and these symbols. Matter of fact, I did oil a year ahead one time. One of my first big calls was oil. But now all of these will be going up for the next several years. You're welcome, free. Just when you make your money, buy the system. Hello, stay in good karma. Good morning, Alliance. I will get to A to A, but you're going to have to wait till I get done with these. Nike. Eventually, Nike's going past 177. It's not a matter of if, it's going to do it. Target. It's not a matter of if.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
3-month buy stop target, 115, 135. Eventually, it'll go past 177. That's my favorite.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
And then it'll
advisor.
go past 269. I told you guys about J&J. I've been screaming J&J, buy, buy, buy. It's my favorite. And you still have time to 173, J&J. Eventually it'll go over 188.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Boy, I'm flying through these things quick. I sure hope I see some more thumbs up. CVS. Oh, so much money here. CVS, it will be going past, it's already hit some of them, $75, $80, $87. CVS is going up past $93, and eventually it'll meander past 118. I love the other previous one. L.
Trade only. I am
One of our members hates L. I'm just calling what I see. I don't give two fucks whatever it is. L is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I don't give two fucks whatever. 104, 155, 227. Love 227.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Eventually go over 374. AMD. Yeah, whatever. You have a little more time on A&D. I've already told you multiple times. All take profits have been hit. 1, 2, and 3 take profit. It's already been hit. 4, 190 for AMD. Then it's going to go up over 226, and that's AMD.
Demo trade only.
Verizon.
Not a financial advisor.
Verizon is going up to reality. It's a monthly buy. Take profit 1 and 2 have been hit. $50. $54, $56, $58. I love $58, and eventually go over $62. Verizon.
Demo trade only. I am not a
SMCI. Gee, I wonder if someone would have called this back in $28 and gee, that was me. Anywho, SMCI. Take profit 1, 2, 3. Take profit 4, $72. Then it's going to meander past $124. That's SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a
PFE. So I have plenty of time on PFE. PFE is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I love it. It's fantastic. With my system, you can clearly see exactly where it's going. Without my system, good the fuck luck. $30 for PFE. $32 for PFE. $40 is my favorite PFE take profit, and it will go past $60.
A financial advisor.
Starbucks, yeah, I think you're a day late and $1 late. Nah, you can still make some money. All right, Starbucks is a monthly, weekly buy stop, $95, $105, favorite take profit.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It'll go over 130. AT&T. Don't you wish you'd have listened to me on this one as I nailed it unbelievably correct. This is a 6-month buy stop and take profit 1, take profit 2, 3 were hit, take profit 4 was hit, take profit 5, $30.17, and then $32.52, and then it will go past $45. That's AT&T.
Demo trade only. I am not
You notice
financial advisor.
every one of these have hit and take profit, or they're going to. You notice none of the calls I make have missed. Not fucking one. There's no way in fucking hell I can miss on this unless God decides to do something. These 3 months, 6 months, 1 month buy stops on these stocks are like gold. Gold. They do not miss. Take profit 1, $17.93 for flow. Then $21, $22, $25, and then $30. That's flow. Oxy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
3-month Oxy. $50, $64. $74 it will go. My favorite take profit is $86 and it will go up past 110. That's Oxy.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
TM. Take profit 194. $200 is my favorite take profit, and then it will go past 260. Netflix. I've been calling correctly for years. It is entirely overvalued. I cannot, and there's nothing left to call on Netflix. I'm not saying it's not going to continue to go up. I'm saying I need a pullback now. Every take profit ever on Netflix has been hit. All take profits for Netflix. Amazon, fantastic. It's going to go right back to 245, but all take profits have been hit. All take profits. Every take profit ever has been hit for Amazon and Netflix. They're both, well, Amazon's way better than Netflix, but it needs to pull back before I can call it again. NVIDIA. All take profits have been hit for NVIDIA, Amazon, Netflix. All take profits. Doesn't mean NVIDIA is not going to keep going up. It means it hit all take profits, and I need to pull back before I can call it again. United Healthcare. No, baby. You got shit tons of time on United. United Healthcare. Buy stop. 2, 350, 380, 460, 500, and I love it for 550. Take profit on United Healthcare, then over 630. Tesla. Well, all take profits were hit, and then we're calling it again. Tesla, take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hit, take profit 3 hit. Take profit 4 has been hit. $360, $400, and Tesla will go over $500. Costco, been calling this for fucking ever, over a year for damn sure. Daily Costco, weekly Costco, weekly buy stop Costco. I already told you, you already hit take profit 1, you already hit take profit 2, take profit 3, 1,000. Take profit 4, 1,080 Costco. EUR USD. Gee, I wonder if it's going to go up towards that blue line. Take profit 1, 1.17361, and then 1.1, just fuck it, 1.20 EURUSD. And that is all the symbols. Now, if I look back over here, this is your done. There is no warnings. If I look over here and I don't see over, oh, we have thumbs up. 46, yay, look at you guys go. Congratulations, you guys are saved on YouTube. Good for you guys. Been looking. PPTA. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold's one of our successfully retired people. Please welcome him. The great Mr. Gold is joining us. Been looking at the stock, looking for your read. Please and thank you. PPTA. 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 You guys are safe on, we've looked at this. I have it on my pink list. Perpetual Resources Corporation. Well, let's go to the highest time frames where I like to read. I don't like reading anything else. It's a 12-hour buy. It's going to $16.75 and then $17.82. Let's see higher. Yes, it's a 12-hour daily buy. Looks like you should have got in a while ago. Yeah. Coulda, woulda, shouldas, but with the system. All right, this is what I see. There's way better stocks. We should have been in here on March 2024 at $5. Oh, you'd have had a 4-bagger. You'd have 4 times your money. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Let's see what we can see here. Nope, nothing I like. Not enough historical data. Can it go past up $38 again? Yes, you can write that down, Kim, if you'd like, but I'm not calling that. I am calling that 12-hour buy for you, though, Mr. Gold. All right, someone else wanted something. Good morning, Ace Bullet. It was, who was asking? Somebody was asking for ADA. Somebody was asking for ADA. Who was that person? All right, I'm taking any and all call-outs now. Any and all call-outs. I wish I could turn off the fucking likes on here so I don't have to look at this shit. All right. Good morning, Ace Bullet. I don't know who, I think it was for ADA, though. I'm going to go ahead and do ADA. ADA, baby. We've called it out many times before. Cardano is what it is. 12-hour buy stop. Take profit 180.8065. Take profit 2.8551. Take profit 3.9385. Now, let's see what ADA is going to do up here. ADA is... Ooh, I don't like that. Yeah, it's all I'm calling for ADA. Yeah, I'm good. Look at me calling that shit out, baby. I'm guarantee every one of those call-outs you see are 100% right. Good morning, Raymond. ASML. Sure. Yeah, we called that before, too. ASML. Or did we? He did say AS... Yeah, ASA. Oh my God, I can't even say it. Let me put on my glasses this morning. Not my reading glasses. I have my blockers. All right. ASL. Okay, what do we got here? ASML. Daily, weekly buy. 3 weekly buy. 3 week monthly. Love this. 3 week monthly buy stop. You're a little bit on the later side. Oh, it's back down here. I love this. This is great. Take profit 1, $740. $785. $900 is my favorite take profit for whatever he just said. What is this thing? I don't need to know what I'm calling. I just need to be able to chart it. ASML. ML. Then it will eventually meander past $1,100. It's a nice little one.
I am not a financial advisor.
That's a nice little, let me see a 6 months. Yeah, technically it does need to pull back on a 12 month, but nonetheless, I'm sticking with what I call. This is a nice little one. ASML. I like this. I'm adding this to our permanent buy list. ASML. Let me see my pink one, blue one. Blue one? Yeah, let me make sure. Yep. Let's go up here and move it up. It's not better than a lot of them, but it's very good. I like this. I'm going to use it. Let's put it right here. Thank you for that check. Who was that person? Thank you, Raymond Feliciano. I don't know if you remember, you don't sound it, but welcome to the channel, and thank you for the heads up on the symbol. Smash the thumbs up, people. Help guys. Thank you, John Parker. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We just got done calling out, well over 40 symbols now, and they'll all be 100% correct. Thanks be to God and God alone because of the great system. If I can do this, you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this.
Trade only. I am not.
Mr. Gold, are you retired? Mr. Gold, do you trade are you officially retired and trading only? Let me rephrase what I'm trying to say. Mr. Gold is on live right now. He headed over years ago over to the safety trade system. If someone noticed that we do have a new layout for our store, yay. I think it's a little nicer. A little store layout. You can clearly see safetytrade.com. Look, these are the OGs up here. Signal service. Get email alerts. The crypto edition, gold edition. Shockingly enough, gold is like 7-to-1 to crypto. There's way more people getting the gold edition. And then the merch store. We actually have a store. Love it. So if you haven't been to the site lately, you might want to check it out. thesafetytrade.com, and there it is. How nice is that? All right. Oh, look. G. We're all over the 5 seconds. Oh, let me see. So they're all hit. Told you. Oh my God, why is no one telling me? All 5 second, all 10 second, all 15 second, all 30 second, all 1 minute buy stops hit that I called right before I started calling everything 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Look at all the hits. Hit, 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 hit. And hit some more. Mr. Gold, yes, and the daily trading on the Safe Trade system only thanks to your system. Thank you, Mr. Gold, for being here. Everyone should be congratulating Mr. Gold. He's used the system to perfection. He is retired using it. I'm calling out trades free of charge every morning. Literally, let's be clear on what I'm doing for you guys. I'm giving you 50 or more free call outs every morning. 50 or more free call outs every morning. Look, this morning right here, these are, even though they're not ringing, I don't even understand how they're not showing up. These are all correct calls. Every morning. I should just leave this up, huh, so you can see when it plops in, plops in. Can I make noises when I get my alerts on Gmail? How do I activate the sound alerts on Gmail coming in? On my phone it does it, but how do you do it on the computer? Huh. I'll bypass fucking shitty ass TradingView, I swear to goodness. All right, somebody wanted something. OKYO, sure. OKYO. Never heard of that one. What do we got? NAS. Pharmaceutical. I'm only going to call it high, so let me see what this looks like up here. Not enough history, can't call it. So, Kim, if you could just write down OKYO, I can't call it. I can do a 12-hour daily, and it's too late anyways. It's gone up too high. Do I think it's going to go up past $3.50? Yes, but I can't. There's not enough history for me to call that. I mean, when you have people on here that are retired using the system, if they can do it, you can do it. If I can make a correct call on 40 different symbols every morning, 35 symbols, 50 times every day, at least minimum 50 when I'm making the call outs. If I can do it, you can do it. If Mr. Gold can do it, you can do it. Hello? The system is set up step by step by step. Welcome to the channel, everybody on TikTok, including Lazarus, Geo, Solace Soul, been with me forever, Larry Cooper, who's pretty much making hundreds of dollars a week, Aussie Trader, Joe Bigga, It's My Time, Super Z, Roy, Miami Rocks, morning Miami Rocks, good morning Ramo, good morning Ryan Marcus, good morning Shepard, good morning Higher Level, welcome to the channel, Preliminary Prem Jello, welcome to the channel, Cybersecurity, welcome to the channel, D-Man, you're always welcome, User 1570, good morning Casey Walsh, welcome to the channel. Tony D, Tarson Black, what's up Tarson? JQ, Pastine, what's up artists? Welcome to the channel. Ivan, welcome to the channel. Balan, welcome to the channel. Mosh Daddy, and Chris Zambrio Goody, welcome to the channel, all of you. I just got done calling out 35, 40 different symbols. Every one of those will come true. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, KJ. What's up, KJ? Should be able to enable desktop notifications. It's got to be enabled. I swear to God. This is so fucked. I don't know. Maybe I need to do the update on my computer I've been pushing up. You know, they start doing shit to your computer when you don't. All right, let's see. I don't know. Craziest shit I ever seen, though. I can't get any alerts to fire through. I love all the noise it was making. God, it's so fun when it makes noise. So much fun. So much fun. Oh, well. All right. Those are the call-outs. Any more call-outs you guys want me to check? What's up? Who the heck is that? El Toro. Good morning, El Toro. He wants me to check DXO, if I'm reading that right. DXO. DXO. Really? You want me to check DXO? It doesn't look right. Okay, I'll check the XO. I'll check the XO. Looks small and shitty, but maybe it's big. I don't know. What is this? Let's go over here. DXO. Yeah, there's not enough history for me able to read DXO. Short term, buy stop to 1966 euros born, $19.66. That's all I can call on that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
What's up, Ryan?
advisor.
GBB JPY, sure. And see, someone in our Discord posted GY or GU or something. They didn't know what it was. That's why I always read out the whole symbol, GBB JPY, because when I first started, I didn't know what the fuck these people were talking about. GBB JPY. Let's see. Yeah, that's nothing. Don't care. Let's go to 12-hour. 12-hour buy. Can it be a daily? 12-hour daily buy stop. Love this trade. Actually, it is our logo trade on the daily. You don't care what that means. 197. 197.663. Love take profit 198.707. Love take profit 200. That is for GBB. Wait, which one is this for? The Japan one? Yeah, GBB JPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, someone's asking, this is fun. I love doing these things. Uber. I don't really want to get into that. You guys just trigger everything, don't you? Uber Technologies. Buy stop. 10-hour, 12-hour to $89.72. Buy stop. 12-hour. Daily. You're a little late. It is a daily. Daily weekly buy stop to $90 to $92. I love take profit of $93 on Uber. Eventually go past 98. Yeah, it's too much on that one, so let's go back to here. Technically, that would have been your best bet. If you had the system, you could have been at $30. You could have been in at $23 on Uber. And the minimum on this one, you'd have been in at $67. You'd have made 50% on your money, or you'd have made 300% on your money. But it's still a decent buy. Uber's decent.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? Keep naming the symbols. El Toro, QXO. El Toro, my system can't read shit things, so I'm just saying, if that, you can't call out these little things or it can't read it. I'm not wasting my time. QXO. What the fuck is this? 3 month? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we can get a 12-hour buy stop. I don't like it, but I'll call it for you. It's just not enough history for me to call it as exact as I want. $32, 12-hour buy stop, whatever thing he said, QXO. Next, Solana. What's the Solana with you? Solana. What's Solana? We call Solana all the time. Why don't I have it tagged in one of my little things? Solana. There it is. All right, Solana is, what's a Solana with you? 12-hour daily buy stop. Called it out a long time ago, back in December. I'm sure I was 100% right on that. Weekly buy, you're a little late. Take profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 has been hit. Take profit 3 has been hit. Solana, 230 and eventually go past 300 for Solana. What's Solana with you?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Guy Burger. RDDT. Sounds like a wrestling move. RDDT. Let's see, Reddit. Reddit has a stock? Reddit has a stock? Like Reddit, like the people, like you go on and talk? Reddit? Reddit has a stock. I don't know why, but that sounds funnier than fuck. Okay, you're too late. Reddit has already gone up. It was obviously right here a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. You would have got in right here at $121. It's going, you've take profit. 1 would have been hit, 2 would have been hit, 3, it already went up past the orange, 4. I mean, I'll call it, but it's not that good. There's way better stocks than Reddit. $226 is what I'm calling for Reddit.
Demo trade only. I am not.
What's up, Jimmy Rivera? Good morning, Jimmy. Welcome to the channel. SBET. Nope, haven't called it this morning yet. SBET. Sharp Link Gaming. Oh God, please don't say that's one of those stocks for Las Vegas. They're getting crumbled because they price themselves out of fucking business, idiots. They charge so much money. What a joke. I haven't raised prices on the 575 in 3 years. 9-hour buy, 10-hour buy, 12-hour buy, 12-hour daily buy. So where's it going to go to? Take profit 1, $32. Take profit 2, $50. Take profit 3, $100. Take profit 4, $140. There's way better stocks, but it's fine for what it is.
Demo trade only.
What's up, Sam, on TikTok? Advisor. Good morning, Sam. What's up, Kim? Good morning, Kim Harrington. Good to see you, Kim. I hope that helps you out, Jimmy. You're welcome. I hope that helps you out, Guy Berger. You're welcome. I hope that helps you out, Ryan and EA851. I hope those calls help you. Thank you, KJ, for trying to help me with the noise thing. I don't know what the fuck's going on. All right. What time is it? 8:52. Oh, shoot. Do I even have my alarms on? I might not even have my alarms on. Hold on. Let's go ahead and get my alarm set. Let's go ahead and get my alarms turned on. Let's go ahead. 9:23, 9:27, 9:29, and 9:30, baby. 9:23, my beautiful wife. And I swear she's kinder and better person inside than she's out. And she is drop dead freaking gorgeous out. Hottest woman I've ever seen in my life is my wife. Love her. All right. She's sleeping like a baby, the angel she is. You're welcome, EA851. EA, I'm just calling you EA. It's in the game. You're welcome, Gary. You're welcome, Jimmy. All right. What else would you guys like to go over? Remember now, we have this. I swear I didn't even use my drawing tool. Oh, there we go. That much. Good morning. Upcoming on our show, going to tell you where 35 symbols went. Yep, did it. Robot testing. Nope, haven't done it. Going to do it now. Trading market open. Yep, going to do it. 40 of you on TikTok. 49 of you on YouTube. If you have any questions about trading, does RSI work? Nope, it doesn't. Oh, but what about volume and VWAP? Does that work? Nope, it doesn't. Nothing in the old ways of trading works. It's not me being mean or being facetious. I'm actually being truthful and honest. 93% of all traders fail and quit within 3 years of starting to trade, and I'm embarrassed. I'm a trader. I love trading. Our community needs to do better. 93% failure rate. Well, I guarantee you my system does not have a 9. Look, there's a sound fucking there. My God. Whatever. All right, ask questions. Do you guys want to see me do some robot testing? We're tweaking it every day, getting better and better. Yes, you guys want to see robot testing. No, you don't. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Yes, you do. Does anybody want to see robot testing? Fully automatic coming. And yeah, I named the show. Do I think it's going to be possible? I really do, now that I've seen what I've seen. Do I think I'm going to be able to get it to be 90, 95, 99, or 100% win rate on the robot? Yes, I do. I do. I do. And if you have my system, you'll be getting the robot at a huge, steep discount. If you do not have my system, you will not. If you have my system and you have the sniper or the signal service, you'll be getting the robot for $200, maybe $300 a month. Can you imagine a robot that will trade for you for like $200 to $300 a month? Demo trade only. I have some yeses. Oh, okay, you guys want to see it? Let's roll. I have about 20 minutes or so to do this. Cool, that's enough. All right, let's go over to our robot training area. There we blow. I'm going to move this to an odd number. Let's see what 12-minute does, shall we? All right. Now, what are we talking about when we have robots? It's not like your stupid algo people. Oh, the trade. Every robot I've ever seen sucks fucking ass. And I'm not putting out a robot that sucks fucking ass. For those of you who know me, I'm 100% about results. If it works, I use it. I tell you, we do it. Now let's take a look at what you're witnessing here. Okay, what you're seeing right here is an amazingly work of art. It's like this is just amazing what you're witnessing. You're going to notice the great Keith Palmer has took my mind and coded it. He's taken my mind, and let me be clear on what I'm trying to tell you right here. Let's be 100% clear. This robot isn't looking at one time frame. This robot isn't looking at one symbol. This robot is looking at ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, the US 30, and your YM1. It's looking at 6 different symbols, and if it's looking at the 12-minute, it's going to go find the 15-minute, 1 hour, the other one. So it's looking at 2 time frames on 6 symbols, just like my brain works, called the order of operation. Then it's checking to see, is the sniper right, the pink covered? Do we have our 3 real green direction bars correct? Is there a buy stop? Is it the right thing underneath? Do we have the Bach? Is it above or below the blue line? Is the Bach double green? Has the orange gone below the yellow and the red? So it's checking all these different things on all these different symbols. So 7's out there if you understand that the robot is checking 6 symbols, 2 time frames, and upwards of 30, I'm serious, 30 different, well, let's put it this way, over 20 different and up to 36, but we'll just call it over 20. Over 20 different checks it's doing on every one of these. So it's doing it here, it's doing it here, it's doing it here, and it's doing it here. You got to understand that, and then it's doing it not just on all those, then it's doing it 7s, if you guys understand that I have a whole nother little thing right here that I use that is another chart for trading view that I use, and I'm checking all those manually. So as I'm checking, all these things, I'm having Keith code them all, and he's able to do it. That's why we refer to him as the great Keith Palmer, KJ, because Keith is able to do stuff that is just crazy, exceptionally good. Exceptionally good. Good morning, not today. Okay, so we have some 7s out there. So please understand, the robot is checking 6 symbols, 2 different time frames, and over 20 different checks, 20 different indicators. And then when it sees the exact setup that I want it to see, that I would see normally and take the trade on, it draws this pink line. So all of that goes into that tiny little living space right here, this right here. So it didn't call it here. Look at what it didn't call. Okay? It called to go in right here. So imagine that. The logic this thing has to be thinking. It didn't call any of the previous trades. It called this trade right here, where the pink line is. You notice the boom, hooked, came up, went up, 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 up. That is amazing. So the order of operations, the code, the logic behind this pink line is very deep. It doesn't take the wrong trade, it only takes the right trade. Is that not fucking amazing? How can you code something to read like me? And that is the right trade, by the way. And look at how high it went. You notice it didn't take a trade here. See this? See that right there? It didn't take a trade right here. It didn't take a trade right here. It didn't take a trade here, 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 here. As you guys know, it's as important not to take the wrong trade as to take the correct trade. And there's your trade. Let's keep on rolling and see if there's any. Oh, look at there. Looky there. 1, 2. Now, this is a questionable one. We're going to have to look at this and see why it called this right here. So I'm going to go to that one, then I'll go forward. And all I do is go over every last one of them until I get this perfected. I weed out all the bad trades and why it took it. And then we find out why it was taking this trade, and then I clean it up if it needs cleaning. It could be on a different time frame. It could be on a different symbol, I should say. So let's see. Entry would have been right here. Let me see. And another thing, sometimes they think it's a shitty trade and it's actually really good. Yep, 50 pips. Nope, we're good with that trade. That would yield us 50 pips. Second leg would have been here. Yep, that would have been over 50. Would it have called it? Yes, it would have called NAS. It would have called NQ1. It would not have called. See, it also realizes, is the sniper in the right position? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is all the real direction bars stay green? Yes or no? Yes or no? Did the box stay green? Yes or no? Yes or no? So it's checking all these check, but I believe it would have called it on, well, did call it actually, that's why, on NAS. So that would have been your call out. And it knows to differentiate enough to know between calling NAS, between calling NQ1, between calling SPX, or between calling ES1 or YM1 or US30. It knows which ones are the best. John erased a message. I don't know what it said. Sorry, John. Good morning, Random Neil. What's up, Random? Miami Rocks. Good morning. All right, so we now know that one was semi-good, but we can clearly see these two are way better. Interesting, it called this. Let me see something right here. Oh, I know why. This is a misread. The second one would be the correct call, but that's okay. I mean, it's still recognizing a trade, which this would be a higher time. This 12 minute is probably like a 30-minute buy stop right there. But at any rate, right here is an entry, and this is just perfection. Let me see what it looks like on our other ones. Where would this have been called? This would have been called on all four symbols. This one right here, that one. So all four symbols would have had to call, and all four symbols would have went straight up. You'd have made a shit ton of fucking money. And there's going to be very little drawdown in each one of these trades. Very, very little drawdown. I didn't realize I was behind on the live. I was just commenting on Vegas pricing last time we went. It is. Yes, John. I know, isn't that crazy that you can be behind on the live? You don't know you're caught up. Thank you for the thumbs up on YouTube. Please keep doing that, but you guys are all safe now. All right. So we had two very good calls. We had one call that I'm still probably going to weed out, even though it would have generated 50 pips. Let's keep on looking. We're on a really odd time frame, 12 minutes. Oh, that's a perfect call. Look. This is a 12-minute buy stop. It would have called it. See, you're perfect. See this right down here with the sniper? I keep telling you, everything's based off the sniper. See, boom, boom, boom. In other words, pink, purple, blue, all low, pink cross, pink cross, pink cross, and then you'd have the call. See the pink cross? Then you'd have the orange. Price action goes up against the orange. Enter. Boom. That's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Pink cross blue, pink cross blue. Did the sniper, did the Bach hold? I don't know. I can't see it. No, Bach broke, but that's okay. It'll check the higher time frame to make sure it's still green. It's above its blue lines. Yeah, this is a very, very, very good call. That's why we got to make that other one exactly like this. But this is a 12-minute NAS. We're checking the robot to see if it's going to do exactly what we needed to do. And can you imagine? It's spotted out on all, I'm sure, I'm not looking at YM and US 30 right now. I'm just strictly looking at these four. I do look at it, just not in front of you all. But yeah, these are just perfect buy stops. See how the pink crossed, then you wait, then you have the orange cross, price action cross the orange, boop, up it goes. Every one of them, pink cross blue, green, 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 red, green, 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 red. Perfection, just perfection on that trade. Perfection. Okay. Does everybody think that this call right here on this line, look how it read it here, 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 and here. Look how it read it. Because remember, what you guys are seeing, it looks, oh, that's easy to see because you can see that it dipped down. No. This is what it's reading here. That's all it is. This is what it's reading right here. It can see the future because of the system, but you don't have 20/20 hindsight. You have to make the call while you're blind. And my system can read the future. Well, the robot's doing it right now, let me be clear, with 99% accuracy. I've never seen it miss when all the things click. See it right there? So this is what you're looking at. This is what you're seeing. The robot is seeing this before it happens, before it happens, before it happens, before it happens. You see? Some of you don't understand. You go, well, that's easy to see because, well, I can do it. Well, really? Well, you can maybe with my system, you can, but without it, you ain't got no fucking chance. None. Good morning, Dad Bod. Sevens, if you all understand, it's predicting the future with near 100% accuracy. Me and Keith will be working on how to get the entrances in later. I have about another 15, 20 minutes, and I'm going to have to switch over to actually making live call-outs for the market open. So ask questions on the robot now. Throw up sevens if you're catching it. What you're witnessing is history in the making. So there's 100 of you here right now. You should be like, how the fuck is this? I'm giving you all the behind the scenes. Remember the first time we're on iteration 7? I don't even know what iteration we're on, like 7, 8, or 9 of me giving order of operations to Keith and the great Keith Palmer coding it. Anybody getting excited for the robot? Remember, if you're in my system, you'll get it at a steep discount. If you have the signal service or the sniper, you'll get it at a ridiculously steep discount. If you do not have my system or you do not have the sniper and you will be paying through your ass for this robot. Honestly, I said $750. I waiver back a month for it. It's going to be probably closer to $1,000 a month. And I don't give two fucks. If no one's willing to pay $1,000 a month for a robot that's 199.99% accurate, you're idiots. You are not smart people. All right? Me says try Edwards. Elf. Yeah. Says Kirk. All right. Just want to make sure we're all there. Now, let's keep on looking. So it's seeing, see how it goes? It's seeing it here, poop, up it goes. Seeing it here, poop, poop, poop. I love it. All right, that's a weird time frame. Let's go to another weird time frame. Let's go to I do like the 3 minute. Hell, let's go upwards. Let's do a 3 hour. I don't know, what the fuck? Maybe 3 hour would be good. Oh, look at that call. Look at that call. Excited is an understatement, says LT. Look at that call. Look at that call. Boom, baby. Look at them all. Just understand. Pink, blue, down low. Pink, blue, down low. Pink, blue, down low. Look, it's reading it perfectly. Buy stop. Green, 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 red. 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 Bach broke, price action to blue. It's reading all those things, and look at how flawlessly. Oh yeah, baby. It's reading it perfectly. 3 hour buy, they're going to be so good, these 3 hour, 4 hours. The 4 hours are generating 2, 3, 4,000 pips on the higher time frame buys. Woo! You better hope we get some of those. Oh. Generally speaking, the higher the time frame, the more money you make, the more pips. Okay, let's dive into this one. It would have been all of them, so let's go ahead and take NAS. I'm going to show you how it's going to read the entrances and put the stop losses now. All right. So this is the line right here. Oh, good, and it even went underneath here. Okay, so this is what you're going to look at. Watch. What you're looking at right here is this area zoomed in on. The first step is, can it tag the trade correctly? Yeah, looks like it. So I'm going to say, is it reading it? Pink, blue, green, 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 red, green, green, green over here. When does the orange line go below the other two? Right? Right here. When would entrance be? When price action goes above the other two. It has to close above it. So entrance would be right here. Now, is there drawdown after that closure? Yes, that looks like a tiny bit right here. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. And let's see what our drawdown is. Let's see, it would have went above it with a closed candle right there, and it went down to there. Somewhere around there. 60. Hold on, let me grab that again. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. It's either 50, 60, or 70 pips. Let's see, entrance would have been off of the closure of this one. So right there. Okay, so let's go, it's right there. Right there. And then this is your exit down there. 39 pips. So 40 pips. You had a 40 pip. It's a little higher than I prefer, but this is a higher time frame. That's why we'll have different. Probably it's going to go 10-second trades to the 5-minute, and then the 5-minute to the 1 hour, and then the 1 hour through the 4 hour, and then the 4 hour will be above, and then it'll be like daily 3 week. That's the ones I would use. Like, can't miss those. All right. So anywho, about a 40 pip drawdown, 30 pip drawdown, whatever. And then how far did it go up? So if you had an account and you'd had $1, you had $2,000 in your $1,000 in your NAS account, you'd have lost 40. Holy shit! And you would have made. Would I have survived this pullback? Yes, you would have. You'd have survived the pullback. So you would have made. Hold, I can't even see it all. You would have been drawn down $40 on your trade, and you would have made $2,540 on your trade. So you'd have been up $2,500 on a 0.01 lot size. Your volume, your amount that you'd be trading is 0.01, and yeah, that's what it would have been. I know, right? You're gonna have lots of time back. Can't wait to get it. And if I may ask a question, will one be able to input his own lot size, which is no. Yes to a point of no. You'll be allowed to put in certain lot sizes for like SPX or ES1. There's going to be a robot for just ES. There's in SPX. There's going to be a robot just for NQ and NAS. There's going to be a robot just for YM and US30. You're obviously going to need more money in each account for minimum balances for your demo trading only. Couldn't you be able to put in? So if you were in, say, SPX or ES1 and you're in the 3-minute and under or 5-minute and under trades, those are the fast ones. It's going to be strictly based on your account size and your balance. Now, can you use it to copy trade over to what you want? Sure. I.e., let me put it another way. If you're trading full lots on US 30, you're going to pay a little bit more for the robot. That's all. But to change your lot sizes, I mean, I'll have to pray about that one. I'm saying no right now, but I can change that. I don't know. But right now, that's a no. It'll become pre-programmed in with 0.01 or whatever. And it's demo trading only. You have to go ahead and do your little, I don't know. I have to ask Keith again what the hell that program is he uses to carry over to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Or you can copy trade off of it. Whatever you want to do, but it's going to be demo trade only with the robot. Because I am not a financial advisor. Those things build up. It's crazy. Unbelievably great risk to reward. I mean, yeah, 2,000 to 1, maybe more. I don't even know if that's even true. Might actually be better than that. All right, let's keep looking. All right, nope, no call, no call, no call, call. Better call Saul. Let's take a look. To me, that looks okay. I'm trying to gather why it it caught it off the first read right there. But let's take a look and see where it's at. It's calling it, it's calling it on NQ and NAS. This would not be called on a, we'll have versions of it too, aggressive and non-aggressive. This is a two out of it aggressive call. If you wanted the non-aggressive, it would need 4 and it wouldn't call this trade. So it is calling it on a NAS NQ, so that means I have to go over here and read. When did it go below? Price action went below here and it went up there. Yes. It will be doing re-entries, by the way. It re-entered here. Interesting. Let's zoom in a little bit and see this first one. Am I happy? Did it go? No, it would not have called this. It did not go. See right here. I thought the orange line went below. It did not. It did not. It went below here. It would have entered. No, the call would have been here. It's a little early, but this would have been picked up probably on a 5-hour buy stop anyways. So no, it did not go below there. It only went below. Yellow was below green, and the orange was below all those, not until here. Entry would have been when it priced up above this one right there. So entry would have been here, and I don't see any drawdown while we're at it. Nope, no drawdown. So the entries will be when yellow below green, orange below both, and then price action closes above. Well, pink has crossed blue, blah, blah, blah. All the rest of stuff has to be there, but, you know, that's the entry part. The bot is going to be on, no, it will not LT. It's going to be, you can use this program Keith knows about where it takes the bot alerts and moves it over to MT4, MT5 automatically. And there'll be a bot for gold, a bot for Bitcoin, a bot for Ethereum, a bot for any symbol you want eventually. The same logic will be applied to every symbol out there. So if you only like trading EUR, USD, we'll have a bot for that. The initial one will only be for NQ, NAS, SPX, and ES1. All right, let's keep looking back. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oop, pop. There we go. It looks like the exact same kind of trade as the other one. Let's see how it looks on the actual charts. All right, we have this. Let's make sure what it looks like over here. Oh, it would have been called on all. All of these would have been called. Pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, green, 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 green. Yep, 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 yep. Call, call, call. So NQ NAS. All right, let's see when the call would have been made. All right, so you can clearly see. Nope, wouldn't have called here. Nope, yellow isn't below. Yep, yellow is below. It would have called here on entrance, but I don't know if this is the right, whichever one would have happened first. Let me look at SPX real quick. Hold on. Let's look at ES1 too while we're at it. Let me go over to here and see. Yeah, I'm going to look at ES1. This would have been the initial signal, right? I can't get the exact spot, but that's roughly where it is. All right, let's take a look. All right. Yo. What the? Hello? Let's reload it. Oh, shit, it brought it all the way back. Fuck. Hold on, let me go back here and find it again. No, 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 no. Yes, it's past these ones right here. past those ones. No, that was too good. Was it way back here? Let's look at this one. All right, now. Damn, it's got a lot of calls. Shit. How fun is that? This wasn't it, though. Oh, fuck. What time is it? It's 9:20. Yeah, it's almost time anyways. All right, well, good enough. Looks correct, looks correct, looks correct. This is interesting. Which one was it calling? Because this isn't correct on NAS. I have no idea what this one's being called for. Let me see. SVS. Oh, we're too far back. It's not reading the blue lines and anything, the real direction bar. So yeah, it's too far back on this one. Why is that? How far back are we? 2019. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say a little too far back on that. That was nice. So some odd little time frames there, looking good. I don't know. Can it read a 10-hour? Let's see, just for fun, shits and giggles here. See if we can get a read on a 10-hour. I know Keith's having trouble with the 10 seconds right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here's one recently. Let's go over here to the recent one and see how it looks. Song says, thanks for the exclamation, can't wait for it. Okay, cool. NASBot, please. Okay. Let's see, we have absolute perfection, all green, all green. This is absolutely a perfect trade. This would have been called June the 20th at 1 o'clock. And let's go zoom in on this. This is a very, very recent trade. Let's see the call. Let's see where entry would have been is what we have to code in next, and stop losses for that matter. All right, so this is call, which is perfect. And then the orange is challenging me to see. Yay, happy birthday to Precious. And we have 7 minutes to market open. 7 minutes to market open means I have to flip over. I'm going to do this one final analysis and I'm going to swing over there. Here we go. So we're entering in off the close right here. So it would have entered in here. Would there have been any drawdown? No, I don't see any drawdown. Let's just say 5 pips and under. And then let's see how this would have played out right off that orange line to here. 1,958 pips. You'd have probably had less than a $5 drawdown and you'd have been up 1,900 pips. $1,900. Yay.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Let me make a note over here. Fix sound alert. All right. Now we're going to shift gears. Hope you all had fun with that. Morning, Fidge. What fun is this? System's incredible. All right, got to get back to the reality, though. Let's go back to here. I see some cells that look silly. What is this? US 30, is that to the 5 second? Is that right? I don't give two fucks. Let me see over here real quick. Oh, hold on. Let me go over to here. Let me go over to here. Oh no, free money. Free money, buy stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. Well, let me rephrase that on a couple levels. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, YM1 and US 30, free money giveaway. Right here's your take profit on that. Easy peasy money. They're literally giving you this money. All right, now, with that being said, let me go up here so I can make some higher calls for you. Let me see the 1 minute real quick. We're above the 1 minute? Oh, shit. Let me see 30 second. 30 second sell, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. If you're going to play a sell, the only one I would look at would be US 30 or YM1. I'm not telling you to take a sell. I never take a sell. I'm just saying if I was going to look at one, that's what I'd be looking at. More importantly, what I'm looking at right now is a 10-minute, 12-minute, 12-minute buy, 20-minute buy, 30-minute sell, 45-minute sell. Okay, we have a 45-minute, 90-minute sell stop, all indices. 45-minute, 90-minute sell stop, all indices. I'm not playing it. I'm just telling you where it's going. It's going to go down to, I told you, YM1 US 30 sell, 43,549 for YM1, 43,345, 90-minute sell. I'm not taking those trades. I only do buy, so I'm going to go up to Dubai right here. Never been to Dubai. And see what's my buy stop at, 12-hour. 12-hour daily buy, as I called this morning. I absolutely love these trades. 12-hour daily buy stops, all indices. You will see take profits at okay, I don't even know what the hell that is here. US 30, 12-hour daily buy stop. Take profit 44,131, 44,534, 44,757. That's my favorite take profit. It will eventually go over 40. Oh shit, 3 minutes market open. Whatever I'm just saying, 45,160. You're going to see YM1 go to 44,516. Favorite take profit 44,860. 12-hour buy. NAS favorite take profit 22,293. SPX 23,546. Oh, that was ending Q1. SPX 6,391 and 6,435. Those are all your take profits.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Do not trade market open, lock in profits. You have no business fucking around. Although, quite frankly, you just made money on that 5 second. Yep, 5 second to the blue line, US 30, 5 second to the blue line, NAS. The only one I'm going to call for a sell is going to be US 30. I'm not taking it. I fully expect, let's see how high these can go. Hopefully we get a little push up there. 2 minutes. Let's go to the 2 minutes and see. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue lines, all indices. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue line, all indices. I'm calling it specifically NAS, SPX, NQ1 and ES1 are all buy stops. If you're going to do a sell, look for US 30 or YM1. I'm not taking it. I'm strictly calling these to the 2 minute blue lines, even if it just temporarily shoots up. All right. Good morning, Alex. It's not Bree's birthday yet, but it will be. It's my youngest son, my youngest child's birthday on 8/14. Bree's birthday is 9/23. I've set my alarm for 9/23 just to wish her happy birthday. Isn't that funny? LT. So yes, sorry guys, her birthday isn't until September. I put my alarms to it like at morning and at night. The morning one so we trade properly with it. That's all. 1 minute to market open. Do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, get in and out very, very, hey, speaking of which, how's my trades going? Very, very quickly. Oh, I don't know if I can even see. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Oh, I already have. I forgot to put these trades open. I have tagging trades in play right now. So that's what these are right there. They just tag where I'm going. They're 0.01 lot sizes. Market open in just a few seconds. I'm in buys on all of them. I'm going to hold those. I don't care if they go down. I'm just tagging them. A 2 minute blue line hit for NAS. 2 minute blue line hit for NQ1. You still have time for SPX and ES1. You still have time for those two. And here we go, market open. Let's see what happens. just as called, YM1 and US 30 went down, and as called, NAS and NQ1 are up, exactly as called. Yay! Perfect. You still have time for SPX and ES1 to hit its 2-minute blue line. You still have time for US 30 and YM1 to hit its 2-minute blue line. But we already have hit NAS, we have already hit NQ1. Look at SPX and ES1 go. Bingo, boppo, bango, baby. We are perfection personified. Thank you for the system, God. Touchdown, 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 near touchdown, near touchdown. Bippity boppity boo. We are done. There it is. Go over to safetrade.com and buy the system there. Yay. What fun. What a fantastic. It was quick, but fantastic. Fantastic morning. Every one of my trades is in money on those. Perfect, easy money. As called, you're going to see, I still say you're going to see US 30 and YM1 kick off. It's going to go up. Sorry, early called birthday. That's okay, Fitch. Wish her happy birthday every day. She needs all the blessings just like I do and Keith does and everybody does. All right, God bless you all on TikTok. See y'all. Have a great day. I probably will be on later today. You may get one new subscriber from the preview of sub only live. No, I don't want to do that. All right. YouTubers, Twitters, Twitches, X's, Facebook Livers. Fantastic morning. Hope you all enjoyed it. John. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later. Thank you all for being here. God bless you all with a great, fun day today. Happy day today. I hope things goes your well. 62 likes. Ooh, you guys kicked your ass today. That's a good job. All right. God bless you all. Everyone have a great day. I should be on later today. I'll send out an email if I am. Thank you all. God bless. Talk to you all later.